I am H.G.TIWARY of DFCCL Grady. I am going to start differentiation. Student, it is very interesting for you, and you know differential calculus. And calculus is of 35 marks in class 12. It is a vital chapter calculus. So I am going to start easy chapter differentiation so that you can take interest in solving the problem. As you know, student, dy by dx means here y is equal to fx. Here y is called dependent variable and x is called independent variable. Y depends upon x. Y is a dependent variable, student. X is a independent variable. When x increase, then y will also increase. When x will decrease, then y will be also decrease. So y depends upon value of x. So to find rate of change, we find dy by dx. That is f dash x. Dy by dx is called rate of change of y with respect to x. This is called dy by dx. In class 11, you know the formulas, different formulas. I have also given in WhatsApp these all formulas. Just as you know, d sin x by dx cos x, and derivative of sin x is equal to cos x, d cos x by dx minus sin x, 3 d tan x by dx sec square x, d cot x by dx minus cosec square x, d sec x by dx sec x into tan x, d cosec x by dx minus cosec x into cot x. These are the derivative of all the 6 trigonometric functions. Also you should know 7d x to the power n by dx n into x power n minus 1. As for example student, dx power 10 by dx is equal to 10 x to the power 9. Also dx by dx is equal to 1 into, here power is 1, 1 minus 1, 1 into x power 0, 1. So this is the 1. This cannot cancel, it is value is 1 in this way. Now it d e power x by dx, e power x student, d a to the power x by dx, a power x log of a to the base e, and 10 d log x to the base e by dx 1 by x student, 11 d log x to the base a by dx. If base is changed a, then it will be 1 by x log a to the base e. As for example d by dx of log of x to the base 7 is equal to 1 by x log of 7 to the base e. This is 11. Now also you should know inverse function d sin inverse x by dx 1 by root over 1 minus x square d cos inverse x by dx minus 1 by 1 minus x square. In this manner, you 14 1 by 1 plus x square and d cot inverse x by dx minus 1 by 1 plus x square d sec inverse x by dx 1 by mod x root over x square minus 1 and 17 d cosec inverse minus 1 by mod x root over x square minus 1. This is the differentiation. You just know this formula. You have to remember. If you want to command on differentiation, you have to remember these formulas. I have also given in WhatsApp these formulas. You can get easily available from WhatsApp. Now, law of differentiation, student. Differentiation dc by dx 0. कोई भी कांस्टेंट का डेरिवेटिव चूंकि 0 होता है इसलिए कि कांस्टेंट में रेट ऑफ चेंज नहीं है, वो कांस्टेंट है. लाइकवाइज d10 by dx 0, d2 by dx 0 and d by dx of some constant into fx where k not equal to 0 is equal to k dfx by dx student. Third, d by dx of fx plus minus dx is equal to d by dx of fx plus minus d by dx of gx. So these are the, now you know product tool and quotient tool. Just I want to recall this product tool and quotient rule. D by dx of u into v, product of two functions, then u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Suppose it is first function, it is second, first function derivative of second function plus second function derivative of first function. If d by dx of u v w, then u into v dw by dx plus uw dv by dx plus wv du by dx. In this way, this is the product rule, student. Quotient rule d by dx of u by v. U is numerator, v is denominator, student. Then you write denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator derivative of denominator ka square. These are the product rule. Quotient you will know in also class 11. Just I have recalled this. Now chain rule is there. you have to start problem from here. If y is a function of t and t is a function of x, so y depends upon t, t depends upon x, so indirectly y depends x. So if you want to find out dy by dx, then d ft by, and that is dy by dt into dt by dx. In this way you have to solve the problem of chain rule. As for example, if y is equal to cos 4x, find dy by dx, then solution dy by dx d cos 4x by d 4x into d 4x by dx. Cos 4x depend upon 4x, so we differentiate cos 4x with respect to 4x, because cos depend upon 4x and 4x here and x depends upon x. So cos is, you know the rule formula, it is minus sin 4x and constant is outside dx by dx, so minus 4 sin 4x into 1, that is minus 4 sin 4x. Just I have given easy example to understand this rule. Next one, of log x. Suppose you have to differentiate by chain rule. So solution, find dy by dx. So dy by dx d log x by d log x, because log x depend upon log x. So we differentiate this with respect to this, and d log x by dx, so it will be d log, it is 1 by log x, d log x 1 by x. So 1 by x log x, because student d log x, you know the formula, d log x to the base e by dx 1 by x. So in this way you can solve the problem. Now third, y tan square x, find dy by dx student. So here y depends upon tan square depends upon tan x. So write dy by dx d tan square x d tan x, because it depends upon tan x, and d tan x by dx, so 2 tan x into sec square x, because tan x divided by sec square x, it is 2 tan x. So 2 tan x into sec square x. This is the way we have to solve the problem of based upon chain rule. Also log x cube, if we want to differentiate this, then find dy by dx. So this depends upon this, so dy by dx d log x cube d log x cube and d log x cube d log x cube. It depends upon this, depends upon this, and this depends upon d log x cube, d log x cube dx cube, and dx cube by dx. In this is the chain rule. So this will be 1 by log x cube. It is 1 by log x cube, 1 by x cube, and it is 3x square. We are getting 3x square x cube log x cube x square cancel, x is there, 3 by x log x cube into log x cube. So this is the solution. In this way, by chain rule, you can solve the problem, student. Now we come to the point differentiation of exponential functions. Here you should must know law of logarithm. So you know, I want to recall logarithm. First, log m into n to the base e is equal to log m to the base e plus log n to the base e. Log m by n to the base e log m to the base e minus log n to the base e. Log m to the power n is there, power, to n log m to the base e. Fourth, log of a to the base a 1, log of b to the base b 1, student. 5, log of 1 to the base is 0. These are the law of logarithms. It will be used in solving the problem. You must remember this. I discuss d e power x by dx e power x, d a to the power x by dx a power x log of a to the base e. Likewise, d by dx of e power 2 power x is equal to x log 2, and d log x to the base a by dx is equal to 1 by x log of a to the base e, like d log x to the base 2 by dx 1 by x into log 2 to the base e. So these are the law of logarithm, students. Now I am taking question number 4 का third, y log sin x by 2. We have to find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. So you see, student, for that log y depends upon sin x by 2. Sin x by 2 depends upon x by 2. So dy by dx d log sin x by 2 d sin x by 2 and d sin x by 2 with respect to dx by 2 and dx by dx x by 2 dx is a chain rule. This depends upon sin x by 2. So we differentiate with respect to sin x by 2. Sin x by 2 depend upon x by 2. We differentiate with respect by 2. and x by 2 depends upon x. So this will be 1 by sin x by 2, sin x by 2 cos x by 2. It is 1 by 2 constant, dx by dx 1. So cos by sin, cot x by 2 into 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 cot x by 2. This is the answer. You can solve in this manner. Next student, so x into log sin 2x. So first of all we apply product rule, then we apply chain rule. First function is second function. So dy by dx, first function, now d log sin 2x by, it depends upon d sin 2x, and d sin 2x depends upon 2x, and d 2x by dx. Now this is the first, is second function, now plus second function log sin 2x and d e power x by dx. So here you apply product rule as well as chain rule. So e power x log it now 1 by sin 2x, sin 2x cos 2x into 2 plus log sin 2x e power x. So twice e power x cos by sin cot 2x plus e power x into log sin 2x. This is the way by which you can solve the problem related to chain rule. Now I am taking one difficult one. Root over 1 plus e power x minus find dy by dx. Here student, here we first of all convert in radical to exponential form. Y 1 plus e power x power 1 by 2. So dy by dx d 1 plus e power x 1 by 2 with respect to d 1 plus e power x by 1 minus e power x, and d by dx of 1 plus e power x by 1 minus e power x. So student, here this one is written as, this will be 1 by 2 1 plus e power x minus 1 by 2. Here apply quotient rule. It is numerator denominator. So denominator, derivative of numerator minus denominator derivative of numerator, and denominator is square. So write in this way. Here 1 by 2 minus 1, this one, and it is denominator, derivative of numerator minus denominator, derivative of numerator by this whole square. So simplify, further simplification you can write, further simplification, e power x by 1 plus e power x into, simplify, 1 minus e power x 1 cut 0, e power x minus 1 plus e power x 0 minus e power x 1 minus e power x whole square. Simplify this. 1 by 2, 1 minus e power x, root under 1 plus e power x, it is e power x, and minus minus plus 1 plus e power x, and 1 minus e power x का whole square. Now 1 by 2, 1 minus e power x. Now is to remove the bracket, e power x minus e power x into e power x plus e power x into e power x, 1 minus e power x का square. So this will cancel. So finally we are getting a student dy 1 plus e power x and 2 e power x by 1 minus e power x का square. You can also further simplify 1 by 2 this will be written as 1 minus e power x. So 2 to cancel student, it will be 1 minus e power x, e power x. This one is written as root under into e power x. This will cancel. So student, e power x root under 1 plus e power x, and this 1 by 2 or 1 e power x power 3 by 2. This is the dy by dx. So in this manner you can solve the problem of chain rule, related to chain rule. Just it is a starting problem of differentiation. In next video I will discuss inverse trigonometric function, differentiation of inverse trigonometric function I will discuss. Thank you.